Clearly, the previous 2 years globally have not gone the way we would have liked them to go. Many of the economies are slowed down. Market sizes have come down for motorcycles and scooters. Uh, we would have liked to do much better numbers than we have done in the previous 2 years, but I'm not changing the goalpost. Still staying with the same goalpost of getting to 10% sales coming from global business at Hero out of the total sales that we do by 2020.
Where does Argentina fit in? Can you give us a sense of the market here, and where do we see the opportunity?
As I've been saying, for Hero in the first few years, let's say first 5 years of our global market, global business foray, Africa, Latin America, Central America are the key focus for us. Within Latin America, Argentina is one of the top three markets, and I mean, there's no uh, rocket science there for us to say are we going to Argentina or not going to Argentina. The previous few years for Argentina have been very tough economically. There has been a change in the administration here 1 year ago. There's a new president, Macri here, who is a reformist. Things are all changing, looking up, and I'm personally very confident that things will get much better and the market size will improve and we'll have a lot of growth opportunities here.
Any kind of expectations you have a goal to say in the market of some kind of a market share or volumes you're expecting from that?
Uh, being Hero MotoCorp, we always like to be in the top, and that's where we will want to be over the next few years. The endeavor definitely is to be amongst the top two in Argentina as well.
So talking about Hero, in India, our biggest name is about the after-sales service. The brand Hero has been present in the market for a very long time. But when it comes to the global market, now this is a time-bound process. How will you manage that kind of service quality and standard which you have back home in these markets?
These are exactly the differentiators we will be bringing into such like markets. Market like Argentina, you don't have a great lot of distribution, you don't have a great lot of service, you don't have the long-term warranties that we give to our customers in many countries, including India. So these differentiators will give us the edge in these markets.
Now, going ahead, which are the newer markets now we are looking at? Obviously, the 15 still which we are looking at. What are the newer markets we are exploring right now?
Caribbeans will surely be one of the markets. We've been promoting the brand in the Caribbeans for now the last 2 years. We will start making. We are already there in the Dominican Republic. We have a prospective distributor here with us from Guyana. So smaller markets, but they are good markets for us. The next big market for us will be in Mexico. We are hopeful that we will very soon get a good partner in Mexico and make our entry into Mexico.
One very important market here is Brazil, and but because of the fuel requirements there, we haven't still a lot of Indian companies really moving in there. But as you said yesterday that in Argentina, a lot of other markets you're coming late, but there because nobody is yet there except RE. Are we exploring that market very seriously?
Well, I had a couple of years earlier, I had said that we would be making our entry into Brazil soon, and we already have been working on our engines to get them ethanol friendly or flexi fuel friendly. But the situation in the country, is not the best to make an entry. I'm hoping that things would change in Brazil as well sooner than later. And yeah, we will definitely get into Brazil, being the largest market in South America. We will definitely get into Brazil.
Also, I wanted to get a sense. Yesterday, you spoke about the fact that we are seriously looking at EVs and high performance vehicles. Can you give us viewers a sense of what should they expect from Hero MotoCorp in those both fields?
Well, one of the product segments where Hero is not a leader is the premium segment, and high performance is somewhere a segment that we are not present in. Again, there is no rocket science there to say that we are working on those. We have to become leaders in the premium segment too, and we have to have a presence in the high performance segment if we have to become a global leader. We have to service a wide range of customers in a wide range of segments in various products. As far as EV goes, we had a few years ago at the Auto Expo shown a hybrid scooter, if you remember, the Leap, but unfortunately things didn't go well for EVR, and that project is for the time being abandoned.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.